Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you're all doing amazingly well today. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing another collection from Colourpop. It is their new rainbow collection. It is available on their website right now. It is not sold out, so if you guys want anything from this collection, you can definitely still get it. You can also use my coupon code, the number 5, CAT, K-A-T. I'll put it right here so that you guys can use it if you want to. You don't have to, but it's there just in case you want to. But yeah, so I'm going to be reviewing the entire rainbow collection. I will be swatching everything for you guys as well. And look at this palette. It is so pretty, and in the collection we get so many other things. Like we get gel eyeliners, we get a little we get 4 singles in this set right here. Then they have a mascara set, even skincare and gel eyeliners that look so pretty, an eye brush set. We get so many things. So I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I will be using as much as I can from the collection, and I will be swatching the entire collection for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see all of that, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to get started with today's eyeshadow look. And for today's look, I was actually inspired by, well, not inspired, I'm actually going to try to copy her look color by color because I think it's beautiful. And a lot of the colors, if not all of the colors that she used in this eyeshadow look, pretty much are included in this palette. And it will give me a chance to use pretty much a lot of the colors from the palette, so that way you guys can see what the colors look like on the eye. But her name is Mary Shimkus. Yeah, so she does like really pretty rainbow looks on Instagram, and I don't know, I saw this look and I was like, I have to do it because it just uses a lot of the colors that are in the palette. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it looks the same, but if not, I tried. So we're gonna be using magnetic lashes today. Hopefully it works out. But anyway, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then I will be right back to get started on the eyeshadow look. So to get started with the eyeshadow look, I'm first priming my eyes using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 0.5. I am first grabbing the hot pink from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm packing that right into the inner corner. As I'm packing the color, I am also blending out the edges. I just need time to clear my head. Next, I'm dipping into the yellow from the palette, and I'm applying that right next to the hot pink, and we're going to be blending those together right in the middle where they meet. And then I'm also going to be blending out the edges. For the next color, I am grabbing the purple from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying that right to the outer corner and bringing it up to my crease. We're going back into the crease, and I'm grabbing the green shade from the palette and applying that right next to the yellow. And again, as I'm packing these colors, I'm also blending out the edges. And as you're putting down these colors, you want to make sure that you blend in between where they meet each other, because we want the look to look like a nice, beautiful gradient. Now I am taking the lighter blue from the palette, and I'm packing that to the rest of whatever we have left. And I am going to be blending out the edges, and I'm going to do a little bit more blending with this color, and I am going to take it up towards the brow bone a little bit more. And what I'm going to do now, because it looks like we need an in-between color in between the purple and the lighter blue, I am going to dig into the darker blue from the palette, and I'm applying that right into the crease, only in the area where the purple meets the lighter blue. And I just want to be really careful, so I'm grabbing a smaller pencil brush, and I'm very lightly packing this color right into the crease, and I'm also blending it out with the lighter blue. So now we're moving on to cutting the crease, and to cut the crease, I am going to be using the P. Louise base again, but this time I'm using the shade 0.0, which is the white eyeshadow base. And if you guys are wondering what brush I use to cut the crease, the one that I like to use is actually from a company called Lashylicious, and it's in the number E102. And because I am coming in with glitters, the P. Louise base has to be set before I actually apply the glitters, otherwise it'll turn into a big mess. So I'm going to take the yellow from the palette and I am going to apply this to the first half of the cut crease to set the primer. And to set the half of the cut crease, I'm going into this lighter peach color and using this color to set the base. I'm also leaving a little bit of the cut crease open because I am going to come in with the purple a little bit later on to blend it into the glitter. So now we're ready to apply the glitter. So what I'm going to do first is come in into the yellow glitter from the palette and I'm applying that to the first half of the cut crease. Next, I'm digging into the orange glitter from the palette and I'm applying that to the other half of the cut crease. And now I'm digging back into that purple from the palette that we used a little bit earlier, and I'm just gonna make sure that that purple blends into the glitter so that everything looks nice and blended. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to come in with the purple gel liner from the collection for the first half of my waterline. Next, I'm coming in with the baby blue gel liner and I'm applying that to the other half of my waterline. For the lower lash line, I am going to dig back into the purple from the palette and I'm just applying that at the outer edge of the lower lash line. I'm not taking this purple all the way in, I'm taking it about halfway. So now I'm taking the darker blue from the palette and I'm going to apply that right below the purple and I'm taking that darker blue about halfway. And for the rest of the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the lighter blue from the palette and I'm applying that to the rest. I'm also using this lighter blue to blend out the edges on the lower lash line. And I totally forgot that I usually clean off the corner before I do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna do that now. You can actually leave it just like this, but I'm gonna take a Q-tip and just clean off the edge. For the inner corner, I am taking these glitters from Colourpop. I'm gonna use this one in the color The Roxy and I'm applying this to the inner corner. To apply the glitter, I'm just applying a little bit of the Violet Vase glitter glue. For lashes, since I do have these lash extensions, I am going to try to apply magnetic lashes. It's the only other solution that I could come up with, so wish me luck. So this is the finished eyeshadow look. I'm going to zoom you guys out. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera and then I will be back to show you swatches of everything in the collection and just give you my final thoughts.
I just need time to clear my head. Fires up, embers burn, can't pretend, yeah. And I've been thinking about things that we said, yeah. And I've been up all night lately, thinking about you, yeah. Are we just holding on? We're scared, still bruised, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, just can't stop, no. I told me I don't need nobody, but every night I'm feeling something for you, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, thinking about you. Are we just satellites by the edge? Burning up, spinning round till an end, yeah. And I've been thinking about things that you said, yeah. And I've been up all night lately, thinking about you, yeah. Are we just holding on? We're scared, still bruised, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, just can't stop, no. I told me I don't need nobody, but every night I'm feeling something for you, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, thinking about you. feeling something. Told me I don't need nobody, but every night I'm feeling something for you, yeah. It messed me up, fucked me up, thinking about you. Thinking about you, yeah. It messed me up, fucked me up, thinking about.
All right, so those were all of the swatches. What did you guys think? Let me know down below. But let me just tell you what I recommend from the collection and what I don't recommend. So the palette, 100%. Yes, I think that if you are into colors and you love playing with color in your eyeshadow looks, 100%. The quality of these eyeshadows is amazing. I love ColourPop eyeshadows. They're affordable, and the pigmentation, blendability, they're really, really easy to work with, like really easy, especially compared to, like, let's say like Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I also love, but I do find them sometimes a little, not hard to work with, but almost like you have a little bit of a learning curve. But once you learn how to like work with them, you're fine. But with the ColourPop eyeshadows, I feel like you can like work with them right away, even if you're not that good at makeup. I just feel like ColourPop eyeshadows are really great for that. So yes, the palette, I say 100% recommend. The mascaras, ugh, honestly, okay, I like the mascaras. I love the different colors, and for me it is something that I am going to use because I do eyeshadow looks for Instagram and for YouTube. So 100% I am going to use these and get really good use out of them. If I wasn't doing YouTube or Instagram, I would not buy these, I don't think, just because I really enjoy my black mascaras, and the most different that I will go will be like a brown mascara. So if you're not a person that's like into colorful mascara, that like you're not gonna use it every day, then it's really not worth the $40. But if you do like to play with color and you think that this is something that you're gonna get good use out of it, then 100% yes, get it, because the mascaras themselves, like the formula is great. But yeah, it's just total personal preference if you're gonna get good use out of them or not, you know. The next one is the Head in the Clouds Face Milk. I did use the watermelon one before, and it smelled so good, and it made my skin feel really, really good. And even now, like, I was touching my skin before and I was like, wow, my skin feels really smooth. So I don't know, this is the only thing that I did different today, so I don't know. For $25 you get 5 of them. They all do different things. It tells you in the back what each of the little bottles do. Like, one of them gives you your skin more moisture, another one reduces redness and things like that. So yeah, for $25 I think this is a great purchase. Next up we have the Rainbow Road foursome, which are the 4 single shadows. Yes, I think 100% worth it. The colors are so pretty in this, and it's affordable, so why not? And then we have the gel eyeliners. I 100% recommend these. I love eyeliners in my waterline. As you guys know, I play around with colors in the waterline all of the time, and these actually really surprised me in a good way. They went on really easy on the waterline. I did not struggle to get the color pigmentation onto the waterline, because you know, sometimes you get those eyeliners and you try to put them on the waterline and like crickets, honey, like nothing comes out on that waterline. It's just like, not these. These, as soon as you swipe, you get pigment right away. They last a really long time, and all of the colors are really, really fun. So I 100% say yes to the gel eyeliners. And then I don't have them with me because I put them in my little brush holder, but the last thing in the collection are the brush set. I believe the brush set only retailed for $20, and I really did enjoy the brushes in that set. It looks like they were trying to include a little bit of everything. So they gave you like some eyeshadow brushes. They also gave us one face brush and then the angled brush. And for the price, I think it's affordable, and they were great quality. And yeah, I really like them. I like synthetic brushes, especially for like colorful looks. So yeah, I say yes, I recommend. But I think that is everything from the collection. But if there's any questions or anything at all, let me know down below. Let me know if you plan on purchasing anything from the collection, or if you are going to purchase the entire collection. Don't forget that you can use my coupon code 5CAT if you want to. You don't have to. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that you can follow us all over social media at GlitterBeauties, the same way that it's spelled right here. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.